one is sheep.
This one is a sheep.
This one is sheep.
This one is a sheep.
This one is a sheep.
Belum. It has
all over. This is a cow. This is a goose. This is a goose. This is a sheep. This is a duck. This is a goat. This is a chicken. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye.
Kembali lagi dengan Mama dan today we are going to learn English and today's topic is animals. Are you ready, Yonna?
I'm ready.
Let's start.
Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Now Mama will show you 6 picture and let's mention one by one, okay?
Okay.
Goat.
Goat.
Repeat after Mama. Goat.
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 This is a goat.
This is a goat.
Next, what is this?
Cow.
Cow. Cow.
Cow.
Repeat after Mama. Cow.
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 This is a cow.
This is a cow.
What is this?
Duck.
Duck. Repeat after Mama. Duck.
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 This is a duck.
This is a duck.
Good job. Next, what is this?
Chicken.
Chicken. Repeat after Mama. Chicken.
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 This is a chicken.
This is a chicken.
What is this?
Chicken.
Chicken. What is this?
Sheep.
Sheep. Yonna repeat after Mama. Sheep.
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 This is a 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 sheep.
Good job. Next, what is this?
Goose.
Goose. Repeat after Mama. Goose.
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 Goose. Quack, quack, quack.
This is a goose.
This is a goose.
What is this?
Goose.
Goose. Now it's time for us to make something. Ini adalah alat dan bahan yang kita butuhkan untuk membuat kerajinan tangan. Kita butuh kertas berwarna hijau dan juga putih, kemudian bola kapas, gunting, double tip, pensil dan juga krayon. Pertama-tama kita akan menggambar jiplakan dari tangan Yonna. Sekarang kita akan mengguntingnya.
Kita udah pasang ini.
Sekarang gunting satu-satu.
Aku pelan-pelan. Hello everyone, my name is Yonna. I make handmade with farm animal. This is a cow. It has black spots on its body. This one is a sheep. It has brown wool all over its body. Thank you all.
Okay friends, that's all for today. See you on our next video. If you like this video, don't forget to give us like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel YouTube. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.